Earning money online doesn't have to be hard, and making money through PayPal is even better. We will teach you how to make money online without making any effort at all. If you have a phone, be ready because this is going to be the most efficient you've ever seen in your whole life. And all you need is your mobile phone. Make sure you watch the full video from start to end so you don't get confused with today's method. And make sure you don't skip any parts so you don't miss any important details, because if you miss important details, chances are you won't get the desired result. Now, if you watch to the end, we will show you a bonus app. So make sure you watch the entire video so you don't miss it before we go into today's video. Before we begin, please subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and leave a comment down below. Now let's go straight into the video without further ado. The first step in today's technique is to open your normal browser and enter www.cm.com/muckmoney. This is what you should see. Next, Muck Money can earn money by receiving text messages. Get paid real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. To get started, first download the APK into your phone, then install it, then register your phone number, and then you may start getting SMS and earning money. Now, what exactly is Muck Money? So over here, it says, by letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operations. Simply put, you help us help mobile operators to work together, and not unimportant, each message you receive add more money to your Muck Money, bank real money. So how can we earn money with Muck Money? You first download the Muck Money app on your Android phone. Next, you follow the registration process. Any questions you may read the frequently asked questions. Number 3, verify your phone number and you are all set. Number 4, we will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. Number 5, every received text message adds money to your balance. Number 6, you may cash out anytime after you hit the threshold. Number 7, you get a bonus for every friend that you refer to the Muck Money app. And of course, more information will be in the frequently asked questions section. Now install and earn money. Earn cash, just install the app and we'll send you random text SMS messages once in a while. You will earn money for each received text message from us. It is also worth noting that this software only works on Android devices. If you are an iOS user, we apologize, but this app will not work on your device. And the reason for this is because Android allows us to process the results of the SMS text messages we send to your phone. But don't worry, we have a lot of other films that function on iOS devices. So make sure you head to our channel and check out the rest of our videos. Continuing on, Muck Money is extremely secure. Muck Money is extremely safe and secure. For you to use your personal data is handled according to strict privacy rules. If you go on this website and scroll a little bit lower, you will see some frequently asked questions over here that you can read through. And as you can see, you have a general registration process, I don't receive the text messages, payments, and referral program. So all of these categories have questions under them that are related to the objective of your questions. So whatever you're looking for might be there. You can also look up other questions that you might have in mind over here. If the questions that you're looking for don't have the answers to them, you can directly look it up so you can find it if it's not there. And if you really can find the answer to your question in one of the website facts, then go ahead and contact them through email or their Facebook Messenger for the rest of your concerns. So that's just an overview of the whole website for you so that everything is clear and you are informed. If you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to press the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a new video. Also, comment down below about what you think about today's video and whether you like it. Now, if you recall, we promised you a bonus tip earlier, and that is what we are going to get into right now. Now open a new tab and put in moneysmsapp.com. So this is what you should see see next. This is the Money SMS app, and as you can see here, earn money online. Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically by receiving SMS generated by your system and customers. Now, some features of this website are that Money SMS is a free Android app which allows you to make money online automatically from your phone by receiving SMS. Again, this app is exclusively for Android only because only Android allows apps to read SMS. You can earn money online through this app. You just need to install our app and get paid by your money-making app for receiving SMS text messages. This app is secure. Our app does not read any of your private messages or uses any other data. We read only our own test SMS. It is automatic. You earn money with the app passively without any active actions required from your site. There is a referral program. You can refer our app to your friends and community and earn 30 from their earnings. And lastly, this app is completely free. You do not need to pay anything to get started and there are no hidden fees whatsoever. What you will need to do to get started in this app is to first sign up, download and install the APK register, and keep the app and internet running on your phone. Next, receive automatic tests, SMS our system, and our customers will send test SMS to your phone number from time to time. The last step, and our favorite step, gets paid. You will automatically get paid 2 cents when you receive text messages. You can withdraw your money. When your balance reaches 2 euros, scroll down to see that this app allows you to select your favorite payment method from a variety of options, for you can accumulate money on a balance, earn money online automatically, earn more with a referral program, find quick answers to questions, keep track of the transaction status. You can choose to withdraw your payouts through any crypto, PayPal, Skrill, and many more. You can withdraw your money within 48 hours and you can keep track of your income report. If you are not sure how to install the app, you may click this button over here and receive all the help you need on that topic. As you can see, there have been over 3 million text messages sent, 71,000 euros paid, and over 160,000 users registered. So why are you getting paid now? A lot of telecom SMS providers and mobile network operators need to send SMS text messages to foreign countries to verify and ensure the proper delivery of their SMS. Now you actually get paid because we use your phone number to provide such testing services. Now please note that we do not read your private messages. Are we a scam or legit? Now on Money SMS, we take all the necessary measures to ensure that we comply with the latest GDPR privacy policy requirement. If you are not sure whether we pay our users, you can check the proof of payments from many of our users on an independent website. You may click on Check Ranking and Reviews to examine reviews in this website to satisfy yourself that this app is truly what they claim it to be. Now why should I download the app APK from the website? Unfortunately, we are not able to offer our full app on Google Play anymore due to their very strict policy regarding reading the user's SMS. The functionality of our app is very specific and it doesn't get approved anymore. Now the demo version of Money SMS app is available to earn money. However, you will need to install the full app APK from our website. Now those are very important notes to remember, so make sure you read and follow through. They also have a help center if you scroll down to see more, so you have any general questions, payment issues, technical issues, or questions on the referral program. Then you can easily just click on any of these right here, so make sure that you do try this app because you would definitely prefer this app right here. But that doesn't mean you disregard the first app. What they actually want you to do is install both apps and earn from both of these apps all at the same time, which means that you would be doubling your earnings and all while doing nothing. I do hope you found this video useful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel with notifications turned on so you don't miss out on any new content. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.